This is Neon Rift Station Zero, a first-person shooter running in a browser. You can move through the arena, aim, fire, take damage, restart, and fight through a three-wave structure. It is not just a rendered game screen. The controls and game states actually respond. The question was simple. Could Qwen3.8-Max build a small 3D game that feels playable, not merely produce code that compiles? Agent Workflow Lab gave the exact model, Qwen3.8-Max, a nearly empty Vite Three.js starter, and a tool-limited build task. The valid build run produced the arena, enemy drones, mouse aiming, keyboard movement, shooting, health, ammunition, scoring, three waves, game over, victory, and restart behavior. The final main JavaScript file reached 847 lines. The production build and the model visible checks both passed. The first render was playable, but a heavy pillar blocked the center view. The weapon looked like a glowing box, the enemy ring became a thin line, and the arena was too dark. We sent the screenshot back to the same model. It moved the pillar, reshaped the weapon, tilted the enemy halo, and improved the lighting. In a hands-on check, the controls and overall finish felt surprisingly solid for a one-model pilot. Movement and firing worked, enemies attacked, the HUD reacted, and restart reset the game. But the human tester did not clear all three waves, so natural completion remains unverified. A separate Chrome evaluator checked 12 behaviors, including keyboard movement, enemy defeat and scoring, restart, distinct game over and victory states, the HUD, overlap, and runtime stability. All 12 passed with 0 page exceptions. Victory was displayed through a deterministic QA hook, not a natural playthrough. The valid build request cost 22.6 cents. The screenshot-based repair cost 13.7 cents. Together, the valid production requests totaled 36.3 cents. An earlier invalid harness run is excluded because the model did not receive the intended file context. So, can Qwen3.8-Max build a browser FPS you can actually play? In this pilot, yes. It produced a coherent small game with usable controls, combat, failure, restart, and a visible win state. We have not proven natural clearability or general model superiority. The next comparison will reuse the brief and record the full first run from the start.